Hey guys, welcome back to the another book summary video. Recently I finished reading this book 12 and a half by Gary Vaynerchuk, leveraging the emotion ingredient necessary for the building success. And this book, kind of second book in 2022 that I finished reading. First one is Do Epic Shit by Ankur Warikoo. I already posted one video. You can check out the link here and you will find that video. So this video is more about understanding all the emotions you have while running a business, or in general emotions that you face either in your life, either in your business, startup, whatever you are. So this book is talk a lot about 12 emotions basically, or basically he tried to explain what are those emotions and how you should think about those emotions when your business is at the downfall, when your business is growing, then how you should think about the employees. Not only about the employees, but I will say that this book is generally really good. This book is something that I really needed in some situation where I don't understand how I feel, where I don't understand how to use different emotions to make it a better way. If you are more interested into the written review, I have already shared the review on the Twitter, so you can go check out the Twitter or on the website. I have already told the written review and also shared on the newsletter, so make sure you join the newsletter if you want first a review before I post the video. So let's get into the book and try to understand what are those different emotions, and then we will see whether this book is good or bad, whether you should read it or not. The first feeling Gary tried to explain is more about the gratitude, like being thankful, how you can be the thankful for whatever you have. Even in the Do Epic Shit, there is one sentence I remember which says that when you're talking to a children or whatever you have, it's because your family created that. Like you have a good AC, if you're staying in the AC room, you have everything sorted. That's because your parents already created that, and you should be gratitude, you should be feel grateful for that rather than thinking that ye sab kuch mera hai. So you have to do it on your own, but gratitude is something, that feeling that you should always have, that being thankful for whatever you have. The second emotion he tried to address is self-awareness, because if you're not aware with the whatever happening in your life, then probably you will not understand how to go ahead. So self-awareness, the second feeling he tried to explain in this book. There are like examples he have given related to business, but I'm not going to talk only about the business because these are the feelings that everyone face in their day-to-day life, and it's really important to understand. So second feeling he talked about more about the self-awareness and how you should understand that and how you can increase that. Third feeling he talked about accountability, that why you should be accountable. In the online world, it's really hard to be accountable, but if you want to be a really good person, then you have to be accountable for your habits, for your day-to-day life, whatever you are doing. And accountability is something really important in life. After that, he tried to explain different feelings like optimism, empathy, kindness, tenacity, curiosity, patience, conviction, humanity, and the ambition. So it's basically, this book is more about addressing all of those feelings. I'm not going to talk each and every feeling that in the details. It's better you can pick up the book, and if you read the book, that will be much better for you. But if you are more interested into the written review, then check out the link in the description and you will find all the written review, and that where you can read all the emotions that I have explained on my website on the book summary. So make sure you go check out that. If you are more interested, the audiobook is also available. Check out the link in the description and you will get the audiobook for free for the first 30 days, and you can use that for reading this book or the listening to this book. But it's more about all the emotions that you need in the life. So that's more about this video. To be honest, I really enjoyed reading this book. It's not like a very bad book, or it's not like really great book. It's a kind of a middle age where I really needed in certain situations where I have to address my own feelings, where I have to feel what I'm exactly going through. And sometimes these kind of books or this kind of feelings, that helps a lot. So that's the reason I believe that this book is really good. If you have not come across all of these 12 different ingredients, then make sure you go check out this, or go check out and read this book. Then you will get a detailed understanding about this book, and you will have much better concepts about it. So that's pretty much about this book that I wanted to convey the message. And if you are more interested, then make sure you join the Telegram group and the newsletter to get the first review on directly in your inbox or on the Telegram group. So that's pretty much everything about it. If you are more interested into the non-fiction book, check out this video where I shared a lot of non-fiction books review. And if you are more interested into understanding the books that you should read in this year, then make sure you check out this video. So that's all for today. See you in the next one.